Hello, how to format cells in Excel according to conditions and rules. Yes. Select the area, this area, and then conditional formatting, and then highlight cells rules equal to. I need to the yellow with background yellow, green with background green, and the blue with background blue. So I will set and then yellow. You have to select OK, yellow, and then from here select the yellow color and then OK, and then again conditional this one and equal to, and here green, and select from here the color which is green, and then OK, and then again, and then highlight circle and equal to blue, then select the color for blue. If the color is not found, click custom format, and from here select fill, and from here select the color, this color. Okay, and okay, so I have this all like this situation. You can use also conditional like greater than or less than. If the value is greater than some value, select the color, less than, and so on. Thanks for watching the video.